Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will show you how you can change your font size in PyCharm. As you know, PyCharm is the editor which is especially built for Python programming. So let's open PyCharm first. You see over here, this is a default font size. It is like 13. So if you want to change your font size, because there are many reasons you need to change your font size, because if you want to make a tutorial for Python programming and font size needs to be bigger, because when people will see your video in the screen, so that font size is too smaller, that very hard to follow the tutorial. Also for the visibility purpose, you can make little bit bigger font so that it will be easy way to understand and navigate, and also debugging purpose it will be more easy if you make little bit bigger font. So in order to change the font size, you need to go top left corner. After the Pycharm icon, there is a main menu. Click over here. Here is a file. Then you need to go settings. After settings, you need to expand the editor. After editor expand, you need to go for font. Once you are in font, you see over here font size and line length. So font size you can change over here. Let's say I'll change it to 18. Also, if you change it to 18, font will be something like that. Also line height. So line height in between, you see 1.2, you can do that. Also you can change your font from here too. If you see drop down, you see whatever available font you can change over here. So I will go with JetBrains Mono. You can change anything, whatever you need and love to. Once it is change is done, then you need to click apply, then hit OK. You see font size increased. That means if you do something little bit bigger font, definitely it will be very helpful for writing your code, for making a tutorial video for Python programming. For many different purpose, it needs to be fonts little bit bigger, as the default is 13. So that's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in Python programming as well as Pycharm editor for increasing, decreasing font size, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.